How to remove filter from Snapchat picture. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, simply click a picture over here with a certain filter. So when you click a picture over here, so you can just swipe it and you'll be able to see the filters over here. So when you add the filter, here you can see the filter over here. Now if you do not want to have the filter on your picture, simply swipe and tap it until you find the option of a plain picture where you do not see any sort of effect or filter. So let's search for that. So you just have to drag it a bit and here you can see when you tap on it, you'll be able to see there are no filters right now. So that's the trick on using or removing the filter from Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.